Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to talk fonts. This one right here is from a company called fontbundles.com. What you have to do is just type it in. They are an affiliate of craftbundles.com and they give you free fonts sometimes. I usually wait till they're free, or if I see one that I really like, I'll go ahead and purchase it. But here are some of the free ones that they're giving you right now. And some of these I probably already have, but I wanted to just show you guys how to do them. And on here you can find different crafts, different web things. You can even find mock-ups if you need them for your cups, your glasses, your whatever you're looking for. They probably have it on here. Sometimes you have to purchase it, sometimes they're giving it away for free, and you see the list goes on and on and on. So let me show you how to do this. Let's check out the first one, since that's the one that came out just the other day. Sleepy Sloth. Let's do that one. So what you'll need to do is just click free, and it's going to ask you probably to log in. You'll log in first, and here I'm going to go ahead and download, and the download button is going to come up. I'm going to click OK. I have a lot of different folders that I put mine in. So I have a Cricut folder that I put everything in. So on this one, I'm going to click there, and I'm going to go, you either want to do the one above or the open type or true type. You want to do either one of those, and they're giving us a medium and they're giving us a different font. So let's do this one first. So you'll go ahead and click install. It's going to install it to your system, and you'll exit out of there, and so you'll go to the next one and install this. And what you need to do is, if you're already in your Cricut or DS system, what you'll need to do is refresh your screen, and then these will pop up. So if you already have it open, you'll need to refresh for these to pop up. But if you haven't even opened your DS, all you need to do is just open up DS, and then you'll see these fonts there. So that's all you have to do for that one. That's download free, and you'll be able to download all the rest of them. And you can also do a subscription to this one. Again, this one is with Craft Bundles, and that's another good site that I like to use. Let's go on to Caty Catherine SVG. She also does freebies, and she sometimes has freebies for fonts, SVGs, a lot of different things. So now she's giving us SAS with hearts. So let's go ahead and get that free SVG from her. So all you do is the same exact thing. You need to open up, go probably to where it says freebies, but since I received these in my email, I just go ahead and open it up. She wants a tip. Sometimes I do give a tip because people work hard on their SVGs, but today we're not going to do that. You'll add it to your cart, and then what you need to do is you'll need to proceed and check out of the cart. It is $0. Sometimes you just want to make sure that you're not paying for something and you thought it was free. So it does say $0. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and proceed to checkout. And on hers, I think there is a button that says at the bottom, it's going to say free. So you'll need to click free for that. You'll see I click it right there. And so you'll need to log into hers. And then there goes your order. Once you've logged in and everything, there goes your order. You'll just click that button where it says click for download, and you'll see all the downloads right there that you've already downloaded. Those are some that I've already did. And you'll go ahead and go OK. Click download, OK. And we're going to go through the same exact thing. Double click on the file folder. And again, some of them you may want to click the SVG or the PNG. Here, I'm clicking the PNG. Again, you can click the SVG if you want. Sometimes it doesn't make a big difference, but sometimes it actually does. So you'll just need to take a look. Some of them will already have their logo on the back of them. That's not what you want. You want the free copy, so that way you can create your own designs. So what I'm doing is that, like I said, I have a lot of different folders. So I'm just going to save this one to Quote Sassy that I have. And she's given us 2 different styles. So here's the second style. That one has a little bit of color in it. So that's another style. And all I'm going to do is click the 3 buttons, Save As. And I have my Quote Sassy. That's where I want to save it as my folder. And boom, it's done. Click out of that. And again, if you are in DS already, you'll just need to refresh your screen. Let's go on to HB Fonts. That's another website you can go to get free fonts. That's a pretty script right there. I already have that one, but let's download that one. So a lot of people always ask me, where do I get my fonts? Most of the time they are free. I rarely pay for fonts unless it's a really nice one that I really like. So on here, you just need to find freebies. And again, you'll need to log in. Most of the time, you need to log into wherever you are. So just go ahead and log in, and you'll subscribe. I'm already subscribed, but you will definitely want to subscribe because they'll let you know when they're giving away the free ones. And you want to go to freebies, free fonts. And there goes all the different free fonts that they're giving you. Most of them I already have. Some of them I may not want. It's nothing that I really sell. So sometimes I'll take them, sometimes I pass them up. But I definitely want that top one. No, I don't want to subscribe. I'm already a subscriber. So you'll click that. You'll put that in your cart. And I think I may do the heart one too. So we'll put that one in the cart also. That one, it's nothing I really sell, so I'll pass that one up. So I'm going to go ahead and stick those in my cart. Okay, those are the ones I want there in my cart. Make sure it's $0. And it is, so I'm going to go ahead and get those downloads. I'm signed in. It says it's $0. Okay, it's just taking a little time. My computer's slow. Everybody's on the web. There we go. And then over to your right, you'll see downloads. You'll want to click that. Let's start with the first one. Okay. Again, you'll want to click either one. I usually click the one that has the most gigabytes. I don't know, kilobytes. And sometimes it's going to look different than what it looks like on the picture. And that's another thing you have to do with create fonts. You have to do something different to do that. But I'll show that in a different video on how to get the tails and the different swiggly swirls. I'll show you how to do that. It's going to be a character map that you're going to need. So on this one, I'm just going to do SVG just to get this one. I'm going to right click on here because I think I want both of those. So I'm just going to right click, go to save picture as. And this one I'm going to save under Valentine's Day just because hearts are normally traditional with Valentine's Day and it's easy for me to find if I'm looking for hearts. So I'll go down to Valentine's Day and click OK. You're done. You have it. These are so very easy, and if you know who does it, it's easy to get them. Let's go to Love SVG. This one gives you a lot of different SVGs. They're very simple and plain, but then again, hey, they're free. Why not? So here's a lot that has to do with coronavirus right now. So you just click in there, pick which one you want. I think Mamacita needs a quarantini. That sounds good right now. Let's do that one. Got a lot of pop-ups going on, but again, you will want to subscribe to different places so that way you can they'll notify you when they're free. So again, we're going to go download. We're going to click OK. And there it goes. Gonna hit the, and then if you click the folder, it'll give you a lot of different options. So on this one, I want the PNG. So I'm gonna click the 3 dots, and I'm gonna save this one. I have a folder called Disease and Viruses. So I'm gonna save that there. Again, you set up whatever folder you want on yours, so you'll know where to go next time to grab it. So I just have mine categorized easiest as possible for me. Do the same for yourself. But here are a lot of different other ones that you can grab. I think I need that one too. Might make a cute shirt. Click OK. Open the folder up. And I want to pick the PNG file. Hit the 3 dots. Save as. And again, I'm saving this in my folder, Disease and Virus. Boom, done. Click out of there. Let's go to Creative Fabrica. This is another one that has really cute fonts. I love their fonts. And they have all different kind of crafts and things too. There goes another squiggly font that I like. And on this one, if you do embroidery or you need graphics, again, this one does cute mock-ups. Right now, if people are doing masks, if you need to know how to do masks, they have homeschooling templates. They have a lot of different things in here if you're looking for it. So always subscribe to this one, definitely. So if you do embroidery, this will be a good one for you also. So right now we're just actually looking for fonts, but here are a lot of cute ones that you can definitely just click on and get them for free. So we're going to go back to fonts, and you don't necessarily have to go through all of them. Again, you see the little tabs, but we want fonts right now, so we're going to click on a font. And another one I want to tell you about real quick is So Fontsy. That's another one that has cute fonts, embroidery, and all things like that for free. It's called So Fontsy, Fontsy.